Thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this video, we'll learn all about managing new sales leads. Let's get started. To create a new sales lead, click the Sales Lead button at the top right of the Blade main menu bar. You can also open this dialog on the Tasks page using the New Sales Lead button in the Sales Lead section. Both of these entry points open the same capture form. The new sales lead form contains structured fields that help you quickly capture referral information, customer contact data, and job site details, all while making sure the right person is assigned to follow up. If you have access to more than one company in your Blade account, start by selecting the correct company. Select Sales Lead as the type of task. It's important to note that a new sales lead is entered in Blade as a task. Use the Next Step field to define what should happen next. The default entry is Emergency Service Call. Add specific instructions in the Task Notes field to help the assigned staff take the right action. The Lead Source section is where you record how the opportunity reached you. Start by selecting the type of lead, such as Emergency Dispatch or Home Warranty Company. If the type of lead is a type of vendor, such as plumber, HVAC, electrical, realtor or home inspector, home warranty company, property manager, or HOA, then Blade will populate the lead source field with available vendor names from your vendor list, and the Contacted By field will be populated with vendor contact names from the selected vendor. If the type of lead is an insurance adjuster or insurance agent, the Lead Source field will be populated with a list of insurance companies, and the Contacted By field will list known adjusters you've added to the selected carrier. If the selected type of lead is not a vendor or insurance professional, freehand type the source of the lead and the name of the individual who contacted the company. Capturing this lead source data helps power the sales report, giving you visibility into which sources are producing the best results. As a reminder, add vendors and vendor contacts to your Blade account by clicking on Resources, then Vendors. Add carriers and adjusters or agents on the Carriers and Adjusters page. Okay, next, enter the full contact and location details for the property owner. If this lead is tied to an existing project, you can use the search bar to look up the client by name or address. Otherwise, enter a new contact manually. Add the first and last name. Enter the job site address, including city, state, and zip. Enter basic contact information, including the primary email address and relevant phone numbers. Blade uses the property owner data for the sales lead task. This data also becomes the eventual client record. If the sales lead is later converted to a job, all of this property owner information is automatically populated into a new Blade project. In the last section, assign this task to a user and set a due date and time. Use the Assign to dropdown to pick a specific user or assign the lead to a role like Sales or Mitigation Manager. Select a due date, and then enter a specific time window to complete the assigned task. If the task can be completed at any time on the selected date, click the Anytime button. Click the Add button to create the new sales lead task. The sales lead task is now live. Users can see this task in multiple ways on the Blade task page, on the Kanban board, on the schedule and map, or on the sales lead list. From the tasks page, team members can update the status, reassign leads, edit due dates, or record final outcomes. If the lead doesn't convert to a job, you can mark it with a reason not sold for better reporting and team review. Add your own reasons that jobs are not sold in account settings on the General Inputs tab. Let's do a deeper dive into how to manage sales leads on the Kanban board. If the due date of the task has passed without a resolution, the left border of the tile will be red. A green border indicates the task is on time. The darkened task icon indicates that this client or potential client has an active task. Empty task icons indicate the opposite. Click the task icon to open the task console. Edit fields as needed. A few fields are auto-filled when the task is complete. To complete the task, click the Sold checkbox. If the task is past due, the date due and time due input boxes will be colored red. To delete the task, click the red color delete button. Another way to complete the sales lead task is to simply drag and drop the sales lead card to the correct new card. Expand the sales lead section to see a list of all active sales leads. This view gives you more information and also allows you to edit key fields directly in the list. Again, simply click the task icon to view all task details. View completed sales lead tasks by clicking the Complete button. Filter the active sales lead list by user using the filter function. View the sales lead report to track conversion rates by assigned employee, number of referred jobs by vendor, and a host of other useful information. Okay, that's a quick overview of the Blade sales lead function. Explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work into cash.